y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashanti, but you can call me Shanti for short. So today, y'all, I'm bringing y'all a little video because I'm proud of me, right? So I brought my first Prada item, and I just love the Prada bag. Like, it's just so cute. It's cute. So if you'd like to see what Prada item I bought, then let's keep on watching. So y'all, I went to the mall the other day, and for one, the mall post Corona is, I thought the mall wouldn't even have that many people there. But it's ridiculous the amount of people that's at the mall and the amount of people that are at this, like, there's a fucking line to get in Louis Vuitton. Like, I don't understand. There's a line to get in every luxury item store at the mall, and of course I went to fucking Lenox, and it was crazy. It was Lenox on a Saturday. Y'all know how Lenox on a Saturday be. Y'all know how Lenox on a Saturday be. But anyway, it was completely crazy. I probably went in Neiman's and that's it. Like, once I walked out of Neiman's, it was just like, what the fuck is going on out here? Like, it was way too many people. So that day, I went to get an actual purse. So let's just be happy I got what I got, okay? I actually went to get a purse, but the purse that I was interested in, I had only seen it online and I hadn't been to the store yet to actually see it and try it on and see if I liked it, and I didn't. And this is why it's important to not make rash decisions, because I almost just bought it online and was just like, I know I'm gonna like it, like, it's cute, like, what? Girl, I got in the store and I was just like, what is this? Like, I don't like it. I just don't like it. So I, you know, being sad or whatever, I still was proud of me, right? So I still got something small. And I'm just gonna, you know, show y'all what I got or whatever. Now, I put everything back the way it was, except for the ribbon. Yeah, it had cute ribbon. Where's my Prada? Oh. So, it had the cutest Prada ribbon on it, y'all. My camera is... So it had the cutest Prada ribbon, but we couldn't save that, honey. I don't know how to tie ribbons like that, so the ribbon didn't make it. But the box is here and pretty as ever. You ready? Okay. So, oh, the box is so cute on the inside. It's so cute on the inside. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you. So this one looks like. You open it up, you get like my receipt was in here. It's just got Prada on it, and then so my nails, ignore them. So just got like fun bags, and y'all ready to see what I got? So disclaimer. I have been using the item. Yeah. Okay, y'all. It is the Saffiana leather card case. So, like I said, I've been using it. So, just ignore. And this is the color Petal Pink. Y'all, when I saw this, I mean, it really was no, like, it really was no negotiating. It really was no thinking about it. It really was no, oh, should I get it? It was, yeah, I'll take one of those, please. It just, y'all know how I am about pink. it caught my eye, and I was just like, excuse me, I am working. And it just caught my eye, y'all, and I was just like, wow, I gotta have that. Like, I'm proud of me, so I'm gonna proud of me, okay? Period. Like I said, it is a 6-card case, although some of mine are double. The only ones that are double are like my insurance cards. That's about it. So I was skeptical about like getting a card case over a wallet because I don't know, I just felt like it was just weird. I don't know, anybody else feel that way? But now I feel like it's just perfect. It's perfect. It was a bit of an adjustment going from an actual wallet. I had the Casa wallet by Louis Vuitton and Rose Valerie and I mean outside. This, going from that wallet to a card case was different because I can put change in there, I put real cash. With this, there's no change, there's no, hold on babe, I got 25 cents. There's none of that. It's it's card. It does have, so it does have like a middle part here, inside of here, and inside of here I just keep the, y'all, I can't get it out.
2,000 years later.
So y'all, over in here is the authenticity card, but I can't get the damn thing. Oh, I got it. Okay. Over in here is the authenticity card. Looks like this, and on the back has all the information of the bag. Like I said, it's the Saffiano leather, petal pink. Oh, that's so cute. So I keep that in that middle part. You could keep cash in that middle part, but I just feel like putting cash in there is gonna make it too big. It's just gonna make it too big and bulky, and that's not the look I want for a card case. Like, I want it to be nice and sleek and just like this. Like, I don't want it all big and bulky and everything. Now, me, I'm pretty messy. Like, my purse is a mess, like whatever. So I was skeptical of getting something so pink and so, I don't know, I just, look at that emblem. Look at that. It's so pretty. My nails match. Yeah, I was skeptical. Oh, can y'all see the tag? Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, I was skeptical because I'm like, this shit is gonna be dirty as fuck. Like, no, like, for real, this is gonna be, it's gonna be filthy. But y'all, this leather, baby wipe gets it up really quick. A baby wipe wipes it. I mean, you wipe it with a baby wipe, any dirt, like anything you have on there is gonna come off. Like, it's in perfect condition. Well, I mean, I kind of just got it, but yeah. The only like mishap that kind of like, I don't know, it doesn't irritate me, but it kind of does, is the aspect of not having like cash and change and shit. But I do have the Louis Vuitton key clay, which I can put cash and change in there. So it's not like a total loss, you know, me not having a wallet anymore that I can, you know, in and out. So it's not a total loss because I still have things that I can use for purposes. But all in all, I feel like this is like, it's totally worth it. And I feel like it's priced at a good price because I looked at some I looked at maybe like YSL, and theirs were not the same price. Like, I have more card space with this one than I did the YSL one. I think it had like 4. I don't want to say 4. Like, I know it had more than 4, but it didn't have 6. Like, that's for sure. It didn't have 6, and it cost like, I think, you know what, y'all, don't quote me. It might have cost the same price or a little more. I don't know. But I saw this one and I was like, girl, ring it up and put it in the bag. So I love it. I really do love it though. I just, you know, I was proud of me for a minute, so I kind of wanted to, you know, buy myself something nice. And this is my first Prada item. To be my first Prada item, I have no complaints. It's durable. I don't know, is durable a thing for a wallet, card case? I think so, because it could break, I guess. The top thing for me is that I can keep it clean. As long as it can stay clean and sleek and just cute in my purse, just like this, I have no complaints. I have no complaints. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember, please comment, like, subscribe. Oh, and if you want to know when I post videos, hit the little bell so you'll know every time I post a video. Okay? Okay. Alright. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.